Annyeonghaseyo, I am Abigail Amon. I am from the Philippines and currently I'm here in Korea taking up civil society leadership at Ajo University. So today we had a tour. We went through the Suwon-Hangung. Here the area from one gate to another. We were with a lot of other foreigners and our trip was sponsored and we were very grateful for the opportunity. We were also given the opportunity to wear the hanbok and then have our hair done, and we were able to meet new friends and have new experiences here. Aside from going through this entire place, we also made some rice cakes and we enjoyed the interactive activities that we had here today at Suwon, here in Hangung. Personally, I'm very thankful for this opportunity because I was able to experience a historical and cultural part of Suwon City.